guys, what's up? So tonight we're going to be changing the tires on this, rear tires. They're a little worn out. If you missed that video, go check it out on my page. It's a pretty sweet burnout. So anyhow, these tires were pretty worn anyway, and I figured I'd finish them off. And we did that. Fun video. Got a little out of control, wrecked the thing a little, overheated it, but still runs good now. So anyhow, I'm going to walk you through the process of changing a tire on ATV. Honestly, I've never done one before, but I have changed them on cars with equipment, and I've done a bicycle tire, so I figured somewhere in between a car and a bicycle. They're small, but yeah. Anyhow, we'll go through it, and hopefully I can figure it out. Hopefully it's not too hard, and if you guys have any questions, just put them in the comments and see if we can figure it out. So anyhow, ordered 2 new tires, eBay. These were, I think, 35 bucks for both of them shipped. And yeah, so first step here, you're going to want to jack the back up. Actually, scratch that. First step, loosen your lug nuts. Pick this up. Make sure you're jacking under a part here that's hard. You don't want to jack under a brake caliper, something like that. You don't want to jack under a chain. Nothing that's hard, soft, or like a brake line or something. You want something stiff so you don't bend anything, or like if you jack on the brake, that'll ruin that. So. Wheels off, sorry, tire's not off. First thing we got to do is break the bead loose. So the tire has a bead that holds it. These are tubeless, so this bead will sit right in there and lock it in. So you got to pull that away. It's actually sitting there pretty hard. Once that's pulled away, we can work prying it over. So on a car, you have a machine to do this. On a bike, there's a tube, so it's usually not set real hard. Alright, see once that came loose how easy that slides down. Flip it over, do the other side. So see how loose that is now? Alright, so we're doing this with a screwdriver. Don't have all tire wrenches. I don't have a tire wrench. So hopefully the screwdriver works. One thing you want to watch, this tire stem, air valve, you don't want to dig into that with your screwdriver when you're poking your screwdriver in. Because if you rip that out, you'll have to replace it. So you take your screwdriver in, grab underneath, then the other side you got to push down. Once that's down, it can pull into the edge of the lip. See how there's this cutaway? That's so the lip of the tire can flip in there. You know, push that down, and that'll let this pull out. And then you can slide it up so it's on top. Now you want your second screwdriver. Pull one in, put it around another spot. I'm not sure if I can pull it up, or we'll just work it around. So this is where a tire machine will work better. So you can see right here, I have the first part of it up. The trick is to get the rest of this up, and once it pops over, the rest is easy. So let's see if I can get this to grab. Yep. So I went about 4 inches farther down. I was able to grab it. There you can see it pulled it up over there. Once we got about that much off, now it's getting loose. I bet I can even do this with one hand here. Yep. Now, that part's up. Now the wheel's loose in there. So we just got to get the other half of the wheel off. So here, you can just pull this out to the side, maybe. this seems to be working. Just pry it out like an inch away. Flip the screwdriver in. And pry it over. It seems to be working. And leave one screwdriver so it doesn't pop back in. There's an easier way to do this. Oh, okay. So, all the grease worked. Alright, well, we have it out. Might as well wipe it off. Alright, time to put the tire back on the rim. So, same way as before, except opposite. I like to soap up this bead. Soap makes it slipperier and helps it slip on. So you want to start with the wheel on at an angle. Kind of wedge it on. And then pry this over. Same as before, a little bit at a time. Big screwdrivers definitely are better. So yeah, you do want to make sure the tire is falling into this inner edge here. That's what's going to let the bead stretch up and over. At some point you'll be able to just grab the metal and pull it. Not yet. Working it over. Pressure on it down. Let's try it now. Middle. Alright, so that fell in. Almost there. Alright, same deal from this side. Slip one side on. You're going to want to get it down into that lip once we get it started. So push one edge down, start working it around. Okay. So take your screwdriver in. We're doing with one hand right here, and it'll keep working around like that. Okay. And as you do that, it's going to keep pushing it on. The last little bit is always the hardest. Definitely keep some pressure on over here. You got to keep that bead down into that groove. The groove is there by design for this reason. If you had a tube tire, before you put the one side in like we did, and before you start setting this side in, you'd slip your tube up in there. Like if you're doing a bicycle or something. Or if your rubber tire's not holding air, you can buy a tube. Alright, seems like the trick here is not to take too much at once. Just to slip a little bit around, about an inch at a time. Keep pressing it down. Alright, and it's on. Alright, so next part, you're probably going to need an air compressor to fill it up. That will set the beads, but you could try, depending on your rim setup, what will happen if you have a little like small air compressor, cigarette lighter one, or like just a little one, it's not going to put air in fast enough. It'll slowly, air is going to seep out until the bead sets. And you'll hear it set because it'll pop in place. If you have a big air compressor that you can put on it, really pump air in fast, it doesn't have time to leak it all out. It'll fill it up, wham! You'll hear it set into place. So, yeah, let me plug my air compressor in. You have a screwdriver, you should be able to figure it out. Thanks for watching. Check out my other video. Want to see a top speed video? Now that I got new tires, I'll be doing this top speed video on this. I already put up the burnout video, so check that out. You know, have fun.